There we go. Okay. Beautiful. Let's crack on with this, shall we? Do I jump to the front? I probably ought to. Yeah, it's only fair. Oh, go on then. Alright. You jump to the front as well then, mate. Go on. Wow. Oh. Everybody's trying to squeeze me out today. Got a fellow buddy. Is that that's the guy, that's the Triumph guy was near me. Yeah, Triumph crew. Yeah, we got a Triumph crew going on. Okay, fine, they're not back. So, I mean, obviously I've taken my time doing this second vlog, and I do apologise for that, but, you know, if you could hear the kind of audio that I was having to work with up until this point, I think you'll understand why. For example, yeah, see? I think you can understand why now, right? Yes, my Triumph body's catching up to me. Come on, son. And he doesn't give a shit about the speed limit, does he? I suppose we can't get caught by these cameras. I just play it safe. Oh, I never understand those helmets. Those helmets confuse the life out of me. The other ones which is literally like right up in your grill. Like the chin bar is literally like on your nose. Like, how can that be comfortable? Well, I mean, whatever takes his fancy, whatever makes him happy, you know. That's the point of biking, isn't it? Whatever makes you happy, as long as you're not a dickhead. I feel like I know him already. I feel like we've become best friends just by riding alongside one another. I think maybe I have attachment issues. Ow! Bloody potholes! How are you getting away from me? What are you doing? Hey! Come back. No, I thought we were meant to be together forever. Come on, come back. Don't leave me. Time for my turn in front. You wait your turn. Triumph Pro is not keeping up with me. I don't know why he's not keeping up with me. I love that feeling. I love accelerating out of a corner. It's just lovely. It just feels so nice. And I mean, the problem is a lot of my commute is in like the worst possible conditions for recording, like at constant highway speeds. Like, you know, this isn't the easiest way to moto vlog, I have to say. Wow, what has happened with you guys? Oh my god. That turn off is so dangerous. I think there's been about 2 or 3 times already, even just in the car, where people have like cut me up because they have to go across one another when they come off. But the people that have just come onto the roundabout at that junction, and oh boy, the people who just come onto the roundabout at that junction can like go, like there's enough time for them to reasonably go, and they will just cut right in front of you. I don't think it's very well designed at all. Like, I watch out for it because I'm very cynical, you know, because of being on the bike. Yes, mate. I love this. I love having a little companion to go to work with. It feels so nice. But yeah, that roundabout is just awfully designed. You know what? I've already seen about 4 or 5 crashes there, and I've almost crashed myself about 2 or 3 times. Why are you moving over like you're trying to block me from filtering? Come on, guys, play nice. Be nice. Hey, it's Tuesday morning. Come on, it's Tuesday. Love and goodwill to all men, right? It's Tuesday. Plus, you know, I can only move my head in one direction, so I need some help. You're trying to get me. Ooh. I love this bit. I feel like I'm going for like a slow moving herd of like herbivores. Like I'm on like Jurassic Park or something. Yeah, thanks mate. You're so nice, thank you. Excuse me guys, I'm here. Stop trying to squeeze me out. You go from one nice person to one horrible person who tries to kill you. It's almost like you don't want me to get in front of you for some reason. Ooh. Oh, mate, look before you change lanes. Ooh, nothing like a near crash to wake you up in the mornings. Oh, I hope that was recording. Why does it always feel so tighter when people aren't moving? Like y'all always say thank you to the guys that move over for you. I try and do it as much as I can. When it's not going to like impact on my ability to control the bike, I always try and say thank you. Even just acknowledging that people are aware of bikes, it's nice. You should do it. You should always keep those guys happy, because the more you reward them for doing that behaviour, the more they'll do it, and hopefully the more it will spread and catch on.